Guys, well, today we're going to be opening up 3 of these cute but deadly boxes. This is from the video game company called Blizzard. They make 3 popular games: World of War, Worldcraft, Overwatch, and I'm trying to think. Oh, and another game called Diablo. Okay, so it has characters from all 3 of those games inside of here. So yeah, but I only played Overwatch, so I don't know the other people. Like, I know this guy because he's from Overwatch, but I don't know these 2 because they're from the other 2 games that I never played. So yeah.
Looks like cereal. Oh, okay. Oh, who is she from?
I have no idea. He's from World of Warcraft or Diablo. I know who this is. It's a character called Torbjorn from Overwatch.
This looks like it's food. Huh? If you was just in it.
No, it doesn't. This one came in a little plastic mold for some reason.
Maybe it's a rare one.
No, why would it be rare just because of the plastic mold? I have no idea who this is, but obviously he's either from the game World of Warcraft or Diablo. So yeah. But here's the 3 we got all together.
He looks a little bit like the grandpa from the show on Netflix called Wakefu. Do you have a favorite one or no? I mean, are you happy you got one you like? Or
Yeah.
one from Dana?
Okay, here's all
Out
the
of all these
characters.
3, I like this one.
Here's all the characters you could have gotten. This character is from Overwatch. I have no idea who that is. This one. Diva. Yenji. No idea. No idea. No idea. No idea. No idea. Torbjorn, that's this one. And this one. And these 2 are mysteries, so I have no... Wait, actually? Yeah, I have no idea.
Well, we didn't get any of the mystery ones.
Yep.
Even though they have super tiny feet, they stand. Let's check the other one. This one actually came with a little stand, and we're going to put him on there. So there he is on his little stand. And this one... There he goes.
Bye guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe.